Hey, hello. Kayal. See the future, Kayal. Hi.
Hi. So we're at the Swan River and
This
hope,
is present Kayal.
yeah, and hope you get to see the same Swan River 20 years later because it's a beautiful place. We loved it here.
Kayal, we're gonna be here. We're gonna be living here. Maybe 20 years down the line, you'll see the video, and you'll see a lot of things would have changed by then. Okay.
The river is not going to change.
I think that should be it.
That should do.